Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show you this video of the Doubletree Suites Hilton, Santa Monica, and I was having surgery in the area and I needed a place to stay for like 2 weeks and I didn't want to stay in an Airbnb, so I found all the hotels in the area are honestly kind of grungy and not 5-star, but this hotel, it turned out to be the perfect choice because the room was huge. It's like a suite style room with a separate bedroom. Yes, the interior is very old and it needs a serious makeover, but the service was definitely 5-star. The hotel's not 5-star, but the service was. Thank you, Claudia, at the front desk, for all your help. I really appreciate it. Oh, and the hotel is like a couple blocks from the beach. You can walk, and if you're having staying at Serenity Surgery Recovery, it's only about 10 minutes from Serenity, so it works out real perfect. I am wearing a mask in the video because my mouth is swollen, and also, oh yeah, the mini fridge, it can freeze ice packs, so it's really a perfect hotel for surgery recovery. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you some video. Thanks. Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you around the Doubletree Hilton Hotel, Santa Monica, and I'm just leaving tonight, so kind of a mess as I get everything sorted out, but here it is. Okay, let's start. The front door, you got a freezer, a microwave, sink, little mirror. It's a very old, everything's old here, so don't look too closely or you'll get disappointed, but everything's very old. But the hotel's in an amazing location. The rates are good, like sometimes like $250 to $250 if you book early enough, but they can shoot up to like 400 plus, so you want to book early. It does have a fridge. Oops, it does have a fridge. You can freeze ice packs there, okay, if you want. So not all fridges have like places to put ice packs, but you can freeze them if you want, okay. USB smoothie maker, Amazon, about $30. Totally worth it. Totally worth it to make your own smoothies out of fruit plates. Now, let's see here. So you have your little living area, I guess. Yeah, everything's old here. Like, look at this shade. Huh? This thing's right out of the 2000s or something. But here's the desk and mirror. So here's a sofa. There is a really nice footrest there. Big TV. Beautiful, not beautiful, but it's a view. Okay. The beach is behind, just down the street. The beach is there, just like 2 blocks down. You can walk, but I'm not a big walker, so. So I mean, the big question for me is, was this a sofa bed? You know, is it big enough for adult? because you can get this room. Let's see here. You can get this room the same way, except with one bed. This room has a double bed, and there's 2 girls here, so you know this is not my side. This is a little my side. So, is there a light in here? Okay. Gosh, what a mess. Disaster. So, beautiful view right at the beach. So you can get 2 beds here. And it's a big suite for a hotel, especially in the Santa Monica area. But let's see here. Let's see. You know what? In all my years of living in hotels, I've never actually pulled out a sofa bed. Now this sofa, it does look like somebody has well, it's seen some action because it has some different colors on it, but it's comfortable. Just put a sheet on it and sleep. It's Santa Monica, you know. It's not exactly. Okay, so we fold this down, and now let's look at these instructions. Warning. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Okay. Well, that's pretty big. Like, I'm only 5'7". I mean, I could. Can I stretch my legs out on this thing? Okay, so now what? I take this. Cool. Okay. Ay. Okay, well, we don't want to know. We just want to fold it in. So, oh, okay. That's a big bed, man. Did a double do. For a surgery recovery hotel, that's okay. That will do. Let's see now. Oh, it's shit soft. Oh yeah, look at my feet. They're like way far from the end. That's perfect. Like even here, I can put pillows down, lay flat, and I'm still good. So, thing's huge. You could sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 8 people in this room if you pack them in. Okay. So, for those that wanted to know about the Santa Monica Doubletree Hilton Hotel, here it is. And yeah. Now I am a lightweight. I'm only like 120 pounds, so this does it kinda squishes in. So I think if you're heavier than that, I don't know if you'll like feel the little gaps and stuff, but good enough. So that's that, and yeah, it's not exactly 5-star living, but you know, you don't spend most of your time at the hotel anyway. This hotel is very good at the front desk, helping you with what you need. So yeah, I kind of like it. So let's see. Anyways, YouTube. That is the Hilton Doubletree, Santa Monica. Thank you.